Welcome to the Liferay tutorial series 6. In this episode, we are going to explore how to create a beautiful, responsive pages in Liferay using drag and drop fragment and style book, all without writing any code. What will we learn in this episode? Use fragment to design the content page, apply style books for consistent design and visual editing without any code change. What are fragments? Fragments in Liferay are reusable blocks of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript that you can use to build content pages visually. You can create layouts like banners, grids, cards, buttons, and more by simply drag and drop fragment onto the page. To In order to create the fragment, go to your site builder, then the pages, and then create a new content pages, and then click edit to enter into the page editor. Let's see how we can add fragments into our existing Liferay website. So we have to create a new content page. For in order to do that, click on the new and select this blank template and give the name for uh, for the page. Currently, I'm giving a fragment. Page is created. Currently it is in the page design mode. Automatically we have landed it here, and here from the left side you can browse the different fragments. So all these are the fragments, and so currently we can drag and drop what are the fragment whatever we require. So currently this drag and drop in a container inside that edit container. So this three, and we can set the number of modules. We can set configure here. So if you want only two, you can configure like that way. And in the first grid, I am dropping an image fragment. Here also we can see the options and here you can see the background, the image is selected. Okay, so currently I'm going to select one of the image. Okay, I'm selecting the welcome image. Okay. Here also we can give any custom CSS class or anything you want to do, that we can give there. And in the right side we can add something like paragraph. Given this content now. After now we have selected that image component, image fragment which we have added, and in this page image sources, image image filter. So now you have to select the image. Yeah. Now it is visible. Okay, so you can publish the change. Yeah, and then go to the home. Click on fragment. Yeah. So this is the fragment. We have added one container and section, and then the grid layout. Then we have added image fragment and a paragraph fragment. So in this way, without doing any code change, we can add any of the component like fragment, and we can easily download to our web page. So we have covered how to create the content page, and then added the custom add and customize the fragment we have added, and we have edited that, drag and drop text images, and all we have added. So this is one of the example of the page layout which you can also try it out at your side. And next, what is style books? Style books are designed preset that control your font, color, spacing, and button style. Once applied, they help keep your site consistent without the need to modify CSS directly. So in order to do the create the style books, we have to open the content page editor, and then make a style book usually and then browse or preview the available style books and click apply to apply the style books. So this, if we use the style books, it will be like a site-wide design consistency will be applied, like what are each site we are using, that site for all the pages, this consistency will be applied, and no custom CSS will be required for doing this one. So let us try. Let's create the fragments. For creating the not fragment, the style book. For creating the style books, go to the design tabs, and in that design tab you can see the style books menu option. So here currently I have already created one. We can create a new one. So I'm just giving my so I have created that style book, and here this is the properties which we can change for this one. So I'm changing that brand color to this one, and this brand color for it this red one. So you can see it is changing, and then yeah, currently as of now we can do like this one, and then publish it. So once published, the change will apply to all the instances of the site using these properties. Okay. So I have created my custom style book. So this is a new style book which we have created. Now you can see it is not applied to it. Okay, so we just created it, the style book, and now we have to apply that style book to the appropriate site. So for site wise, if you have to apply that style book, go to the like in the design style books. You can see currently the style from theme is the selected one. Okay, but we can make this as the in order to, if we have to make this as the default one, then it will apply that this is the default for the current site. So now if you go to the site, see this is changed. Okay, this we have changed it. So the same thing will be applied for all the pages we have applied that new style, whatever that's making, that is why it is said like it will be consistent across all the pages in the site. Now suppose we have to, we don't need to apply for all the pages. Okay, we have to apply for only certain pages. Then what we can do is like we can go back and make the initial one as the default one. So can see now that changes is gone. And now if we have to apply for a specific page and not for the across all the site, go to your site builder pages, and I want to apply that new style book only this fragment page. Then click on this configuration design. Here you can see like in style book, style from theme. Instead of style from theme, we have to choose what the custom style which we have applied. Okay, and after that click on save. Okay, then it is in the draft state. We have to publish it. Okay, so you can see this is applied, and we have to publish it. Okay, now we go to the home. See, this is not changed. Okay, about us, this is also not changed. Okay, now when we click fragment, this is changed. Okay, only this fragment page that is applied. So we have learned all this one, applying the style book and update across all the content pages, and like minimum and those things and all. So what we have learned today, like we have like use recommended to build the content page, edit and arrange the content visually, apply style books for consistent branding. In our next episode, we will explore kind extension, a powerful way to inject the custom CSS, JavaScript, and even analytics code site. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and drop your question in the comment below. See you in episode 7. Thanks.